Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudio. This is my first episode about car wrapping, and today I'll show you how to do a roof car wrap or SUV roof wrap. I did this video a while ago. Actually, I did the job. The video is made by Car Wrap Direct and the tools were provided by them. In this particular video, there are two very important aspects to consider. First of all, it was made outside and there was no wind, and this is a major factor as we don't want any dust around. Second thing is that we didn't use any heat gun, as outside was very warm and the roof surface was very hot. So if you consider to do that, I suggest you to do it indoors, just to stay away from any source of dust. Otherwise every particle of dust that will be seen into the material at the end. Technically you could do this into your garage or any other place that you have no dust. Now, being inside, you'll definitely need to use a heat gun to help the vinyl stretch properly around the corner especially. I'll just put down into the description all the tools you need. They're not expensive, and all of this, it's a very easy job for one person. Well, if you have someone to help you, that would be a lot easier. Now just follow the video, and if you like it, just give us a thumbs up. If you don't, a thumbs down. You know, that will make us to improve in the future. I hope it was a useful video for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next episode.